Your doors are more than just entry points. They provide security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal for your Little Rock home. Over time, even the best doors can wear down, compromising their functionality and aesthetics. Knowing when to replace your doors is key to maintaining the safety, comfort, and value of your property. Here are the most common signs it's time for a door replacement in your Little Rock home. Difficulty opening and closing. If your door sticks, creaks, or doesn't open and close smoothly, it may be time for a replacement. This issue is often caused by warping, swelling, or structural damage. Causes: warping. Little Rock's humid summers can cause wood doors to expand, making them difficult to operate. Frame issues. Settling foundations or damage to the frame can misalign the door. Aging hardware. Rusty or worn hinges and locks can impact door functionality. A new door ensures smooth operation and eliminates the frustration of a sticky or misaligned entryway. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel drafts near your door, it's likely no longer providing an adequate seal. This can lead to higher energy bills and decreased indoor comfort. Signs of air leaks. Noticeable temperature differences near the door. Light visible around the edges of the door when it's closed. Rising heating and cooling costs due to air escaping. Energy-efficient replacement doors with proper weatherproofing can eliminate drafts and help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Visible damage or wear. Over time, doors are subject to wear and tear that affects both their appearance and structural integrity. Common damage. Cracks and splits. Wood doors can crack or split due to age, moisture, or physical impact. Dents and dings. Steel or fiberglass doors can become dented, detracting from their appearance. Peeling paint or rust. Paint and finishes may peel, and metal components can corrode in Little Rock's humid environment. A visibly damaged door not only diminishes curb appeal but can also compromise security and insulation. Increased noise level. If your door doesn't block outside noise as effectively as it used to, it may be time for an upgrade. Older doors with single-pane glass or thin materials often lack soundproofing capabilities. Why it matters. Noise can disrupt your comfort and peace, especially if you live near busy streets or active neighborhoods. New doors with insulated cores and multiple glass panes reduce noise infiltration, creating a quieter home environment. Poor energy efficiency. The older doors often lack modern energy-efficient features, leading to higher energy bills and less comfortable indoor conditions. Signs of poor efficiency. Rising utility costs without changes in usage. Rooms near the door feel consistently warmer or cooler than others. Condensation buildup on glass inserts, indicating poor insulation. Replacing your door with an energy-efficient option can reduce heat transfer, lower energy costs, and improve your home's overall comfort. Outdated appearance. Your door is a focal point of your home's exterior. If it looks outdated or doesn't match your home's aesthetic, it can detract from your property's curb appeal. Aesthetic concerns. The design no longer matches your home's style or renovations. Faded paint or worn finishes make your home look neglected. Mismatched doors detract from a cohesive exterior design. A new door can refresh your home's appearance and add a modern, stylish touch. Security concerns. Your door is your first line of defense against intruders. If it's no longer secure, replacing it should be a top priority. Sign. Your door is a security risk. Weak or damaged frames that can be forced open. Locks that are outdated, broken, or easy to tamper with. Thin or hollow materials that don't provide adequate protection. Modern doors made from reinforced steel, fiberglass, or solid wood offer superior security features and advanced locking systems for peace of mind. Frequent repairs. If you find yourself frequently repairing your door, the costs can quickly add up. Instead of patching up problems, investing in a replacement may be more cost-effective. When repairs add up, fixing repeated hardware issues, such as hinges or locks. Repainting or refinishing due to weather damage. Addressing ongoing alignment or sealing problems. A new, high-quality door eliminates the need for constant repairs and provides long-lasting reliability. Water damage. Little Rock's rainy weather can lead to water damage if your door is not properly sealed or resistant to moisture. Signs of water damage. Swelling or warping in the door or frame. Mold or mildew near the door area. Staining or discoloration on the door's surface. Replacing your door with a moisture-resistant option like fiberglass ensures it can withstand the elements and remain functional. Final thoughts. Replacing a door is an investment that enhances your Little Rock home's comfort, security, and curb appeal. Whether your door shows signs of wear, lacks energy efficiency, or no longer fits your home's style, a replacement can provide lasting benefits. Partner with a trusted door professional in Little Rock to explore options that meet your needs and budget. With the right door, you'll enjoy improved functionality, aesthetics, and peace of mind for years to come.